regarding the trend on the market is quite slow down for the spare part or for the change part or for the service. So now we have to find the new trend. And right now we find out that it's almost in the IT solution that we have to go in the digitalization to the customer and try to help customer to save the cost, to achieve the efficiency of the line, to make the optimization of the products and try to get more product in the future for customer.
A lot of things have changed. I'm very happy that in the recent years Krones has positioned itself as a leading supplier of digitalization solutions worldwide. As you can see here, also here on the ProPak, we are pushing our solutions since they are ready for an integration of not just Krones machines, but also third-party equipment, also of older generations. But the second and much more important change is that our customers are now ready to discuss these smart concepts. And this led to an internationalization strategy of Krones, where we are setting up teams not only in Germany, but also worldwide to be much closer to the customer, to be in their time zones, to react faster, and to discuss with them on a regular matter their requirements and their expectations about smart factories and digitalizations.
ProPak 2018 in general, and especially the chance to being hosted here on the excellent and highly frequented Krones AG booth is of course a great platform for us at Krones Izumi Processing Singapore. A topic that also caught a lot of attention is the Izumi multi-purpose extractor. So it's a compact and very versatile unit that allows our customers in one system to extract not only tea leaves or coffee beans, but also going into herbal drinks, for example.
Our technology is not only the extractor, but also we can offer the customers the final product, and we can offer the recipe, we can offer the how to produce the good quality and good taste and good flavor tea and coffee.
Ba 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 da da.